Our latest integration to Visionline from Vingcard creates a unified access control experience for the hospitality sector by synchronizing hotel-issued credentials across front and back-of-house operations. Simplify day-to-day administration of keys and equipment from the systems you already use. Enable housekeeping, maintenance, and security teams to use their existing Visionline cards to access Traka key cabinets and locker systems. Credential changes in Visionline, activations, deactivations, and replacements are reflected in TrakaWEB in near real time, ensuring secure and up-to-date access control. Automatically map Visionline door area groups to Traka item access groups, making it simple to onboard and offboard staff with minimal effort. Centralized reporting of all Traka activity within TrakaWEB, creating full visibility, audit trails, and compliance tracking across hotel operations. You can now extend the reach of your Visionline environment to the keys, access cards, vehicles, and shared equipment that keep your property running smoothly. With Traka and Visionline, you gain a scalable solution that reduces complexity and helps your team stay focused on delivering exceptional guest experiences. Learn more at Traka.com.